Today I'm going to show you how to fix dead lead acid batteries that won't recharge because of actually the batteries sulfate. And what happens is when the battery goes below like 13 volts or 12 volts, it starts to sulfide, and sulfur collects on the plates and it won't be able to recharge and give out current. And what you do is you use Epsom salts and distilled water only, because if you use tap water or not purified water, it will cause chlorine sulfation because there's chlorine in the water, or mineral deposits. You only want to use purified water because then you'll just mess up your battery more. And you use Epsom salts to mix out about 2-3 tablespoons per cup, and use like a cup that you can like bend or something like that, so you can get it into the little caps and stuff like that on the batteries. I use them on lead acid or sealed lead acid batteries because it's a lot smaller. I don't really have a car battery, so I just use this because I can get into holes easier. And what you do is just use distilled water, microwave it to heat it up, so the Epsom salts will will dissolve in the water, and you just put it in the plates and let it sit there for a while, and you charge it for a day and it should be good. And that's about it. You can fix the batteries. If you have a car battery that won't charge and won't give out any power, don't send it back to the store and pay for it to get it fixed or get a new one. Just, you can always reuse them. You can always almost fix them. So yeah, that's how you fix lead acid batteries.